In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate HubSpot to create a new dashboard. Whether you're a beginner trying to get the hang of HubSpot or someone needing a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps to efficiently use the reporting tools available. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. If you're not logged in, you'll need to do so now. Enter your credentials, and once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the user guide. This is a useful starting point because it provides a comprehensive overview of HubSpot's functionalities, ensuring you're on the right track as you proceed. Familiarizing yourself with the user guide helps cement your understanding and prepares you for the steps ahead. Once you're at the user guide, the next thing you'll do is click on Reporting. This section is essential as it houses all the data analysis tools you might need. Reporting is the backbone of HubSpot's analytics capabilities, providing you with insights that drive business decisions. By clicking here, you open the door to various reports that summarize your data in meaningful ways. Now, with the reporting section open, you should locate and click on Dashboards. In HubSpot, dashboards are pivotal for visualizing and tracking your data. They offer a consolidated view of multiple reports, making it easier to interpret what's happening across different metrics. When you access this section, you can see any pre-existing dashboards and gain insights into how they're structured, which might give you ideas for your own dashboard. The final step in our guide today is to click on New Dashboard. Creating a new dashboard allows you to tailor the data visualization according to your needs. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing a project or need to regularly monitor specific metrics. Once you click on New Dashboard, you're prompted to start customizing. Choose the layout and add the reports that are most relevant to you. Remember, dashboards can be adjusted later on, so don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first go. Experiment with different configurations to see which best suits your needs. As you build your new dashboard, keep in mind that simplicity is key. The goal is to highlight the most critical data points without overwhelming yourself or your team with unnecessary details. User-friendly and intuitive dashboards are effective tools for quickly grasping data trends and making informed decisions. And there you have it. That's how you can get started with creating dashboards in HubSpot. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different features and customize dashboards as you grow more comfortable. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Keep exploring HubSpot's features to leverage its full potential for your business strategies.